Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Coinbase to Phantom wallet. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes and hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with the steps on how to send money from Coinbase to Phantom wallet. So the first thing to do is to launch the Phantom wallet app, or you can launch the browser extension on your device or your desktop. Then tap on receive or select receive, then choose the cryptocurrency, usually the Solana or a Solana token. Then copy the wallet address shown. Then from there, open the Coinbase app or the website, then tap on send or send and receive depending on your app version. Then from there, select the same cryptocurrency you chose in the Phantom wallet, then paste the Phantom wallet address in the recipient field. Then on the step 2, we wish to complete the transfer. So enter the amount you want to send, then double check the address and network, which is very important so that you will not lose your fund. Then after that, tap on confirm, then send. And that's how you can send money from your Coinbase to Phantom wallet. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.